New updates have come out on the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade that are huge, and CZ calls out Kevin O'Leary for supporting Sam Bankman-Fried. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at altcoinbuzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. And don't forget, for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz access group is free, and while it is, you can get our great weekly market and NFT update reports from our amazing research team. Check them out for free now. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get into the news. Bitcoin retains 17,200 after an overnight squeeze takes Bitcoin's price action to within reach of 1-month highs. Further analysis of overnight Bitcoin price action highlighted increased liquidations of short positions. Short liquidations on Bitcoin totaled $7 million in a single hour on December 8th. Liquidations have been relatively small since the early November crash, but short liquidations have fueled that recent move up. The amount of Bitcoin supply that was last active between 2 and 3 years ago has just reached a 10-month high, with over 1.3 million Bitcoin having not been touched in years. Sam Bankman-Fried has missed a crucial deadline to confirm his appearance at the upcoming Senate committee hearing. The former FTX CEO missed the deadline yesterday for responding to a Senate Banking Committee request that he testify at the committee meeting on December 14th. This has set up the possibility of a congressional subpoena. Other than the December 14th Senate Banking Committee hearing, Bankman-Fried has also been requested to attend a separate hearing called Investigating the Collapse of FTX on December 13th with the United States House Financial Services Committee. Bankman-Fried was first requested to attend the hearing via a tweet from Congresswoman Maxine Waters, but seemingly declined the invitation on December 5th, stating he wasn't sure what would happen by the hearing date, but when it does, I will testify. Waters responded on December 8th, stating a subpoena is definitely on the table should Bankman-Fried fail to voluntarily testify at the hearing. Bankman-Fried has hired former Assistant United States Attorney of the Eastern District of New York, Mark Cohen, as his new defense attorney after being ditched by his last lawyer for incessant and disruptive tweeting. Cohen, a co-founder of law firm Cohen & Gresser, was also on the defense team for the high-profile case involving Ghislaine Maxwell and some other questionable characters. Binance CEO CZ seems to be getting fed up with rumors and false narratives as he created multiple threads over the last few days, calling them out. In one thread, he says, "We did not kill FTX. FTX killed themselves and their users because they sold billions of dollars of users' funds. Period." He also mentioned that his tweets aren't what destroyed the business, but it may have been Caroline, the CEO of Alameda, who did it when she gave away her floor price of the FTT token at $22. As soon as that happened, the price then dumped. He also went after Kevin O'Leary, who continues to take the side of Sam after he appeared on CNBC saying he was paid $15 million as a spokesman of FTX.
How much were you paid?
Total deal was just under $15 million. I put about $9.7 million into crypto. I think that's what I've lost.
CZ tweeted, "It seems $15 million not only changed Kevin's mind about crypto, but it also made him align with a fraudster. Is he seriously defending Sam?" He goes on to say, "Unlike Kevin, we continue to do due diligence even after we make an investment. As an early investor in FTX, we became increasingly uncomfortable with Alameda and Sam, and we initiated the exit process more than a year and a half ago. Sam was so unhinged when we decided to pull out as an investor that he launched a series of offensive tirades at multiple Binance team members, including threatening to go to extraordinary lengths to make us pay. Shortly after that, Sam began investing in friends in high places, from media to policymakers to celebrities like Kevin O'Leary, using that network to manipulate public opinion, including attacking me and others in the industry." He concluded with, "You don't have to be a genius to know something isn't right at FTX. When they were 1/10 the size of Binance, you outspent us 100 to 1 on marketing and partnerships, fancy parties in the Bahamas, trips across the globe, and mansions for all of their senior staff, including his parents." According to a discussion at the 151st Ethereum Core Developers Meeting on December 8th, core programmers have set a tentative deadline of March 2023 for Ethereum's Shanghai hard fork. The Shanghai update was supposed to go live 6 to 12 months after the merge. The upgrade would make Ethereum faster, cheaper, and able to scale bigger, while also unlocking the staked ETH and rewards of users who had their funds locked. We recently covered how Ethereum stakers were expected to get their funds out 6 to 12 months after the merge, but the date became further and further away until it disappeared from the site entirely. The Ethereum developers have been criticized for this, especially as everyone is on edge after many lost funds on FTX. Ethereum's developers are now prioritizing beacon chain withdrawals for the network's next major upgrade, Shanghai, delaying the implementation of the Surge, the network's sequel to the merge. It was initially expected to be packaged into Shanghai, introducing proto-dank sharding to significantly enhance Layer 2 rollup scalability, the Surge, ahead of the full implementation of the major sharding upgrade late next year. The Ethereum Improvement Protocol EIP 4844 upgrade, which would provide proto proto-dank sharding to the network is planned to release in May or June 2023. There are already about $19 billion worth of ETH staked on the network, therefore it should come as no surprise that Ethereum developers decided today that permitting ETH withdrawals will be in fact a significant feature to be included in the Shanghai upgrade. EOF, or Ethereum Virtual Machine Object Format, is an upgrade to the Ethereum Virtual Machine, the system that powers Ethereum and allows for the deployment of smart contracts across the network. According to Ethereum core developer Tim Byko, withdrawals, EOF, and a few other implemented Ethereum improvements are what we'll go for in the Shanghai upgrade. If by January we don't meet the EOF milestones mentioned above, we'll remove it from the Shanghai, so withdrawals will ship ASAP. For more information on Ethereum and staking, check out our articles on Altcoin Buzz. I'll put them in the recommended reading section, linked below. Coinbase is waiving the conversion fees for users who wish to switch to a trusted stablecoin. In a new campaign that highlights the quality of reserves that back Circle-owned USDC stablecoin, the move was a shot at rival stablecoin Tether, which remains the market leader. Coinbase said starting today, it's waiving fees for global retail customers to convert Tether USDT to USDC. And Coinbase is also the co-founder of USDC. On-chain data shows that USDT is the third most widely traded digital asset on Coinbase, representing 5% of the volume on the exchange, where it currently trades for 99 cents. Coinbase also stressed that USDC is 100% backed by cash and short-dated US treasuries held in US regulated financial institutions, and it's always redeemable one-to-one for US dollars. Recently, Binance has stopped supporting USDC, auto-converting customers' holdings into its own stablecoin, BUSD. So now 2 of the top crypto exchanges are urging you to use their own stablecoins. Polkadot, a protocol that enables blockchain networks to operate together seamlessly, has been growing consistently in active developers even as the price has fallen. You can see even as the price of DOT has gotten close to $60 and come back down to $5, the amount of developers working on the ecosystem has consistently gone up. It's also the 4th on GitHub daily development activity and second only to Ethereum in terms of sub-ecosystems and weekly commits by developers, yet still does not get talked about nearly as much as the others. We have multiple articles about Polkadot and its ecosystem on Altcoin Buzz. I'll put them in the recommended reading as well. Yesterday, Starbucks and Polygon launched a beta test of its highly anticipated Odyssey program, which combines customer loyalty rewards with NFT collecting and other gamified elements. The popular coffee chain opened the Web3 extension to its Starbucks reward program to a small group of waitlist members, including employees and customers, allowing them to engage in interactive journeys that earn journey stamps in the form of Polygon-based NFTs. In addition, users also get Odyssey points that will open access to new benefits and experiences in the future, including virtual espresso martini making classes, exclusive events, and trips to Starbucks roasteries and coffee farms. The company says it will send monthly invitations to others on the waitlist beginning in January. Members who are invited to the beta launch will also have access to Starbucks Odyssey Market powered by Nifty Gateway. There, users can buy and sell their digital collectible stamps. Odyssey participants can purchase stamps directly with a credit card without the need for a crypto wallet or using cryptocurrency. Andy Sack, co-founder and co-CEO of Forum 3, which helped bring the Odyssey project to life, said Web2 brands are awakening to the opportunity for a clear use case for the blockchain, and it exists in the form of next-generation loyalty, especially younger consumers who are looking for ways to engage with their favorite brands to get acknowledged and delighted digitally. I think we're going to see a lot more of that coming soon. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.